She got one of Daddy's sweets.
No, they're too big for you,
They're too hard.
No, they're too hard for you.
You can have those. Look for the tiger. Look and see if you can see the tiger.
Where's the tiger, Alice?
Oh, where is he? Down there? Do you think he's round there? Tiger, where are you? Where are you, Tiger? Can you see him?
Oh, can you see the train?
Oh, yeah, there's a steam train out.
There's one out then.
Look, can you see the train over there, the choo-choo?
Oh yeah,
She'll have to pick her up, H, because she's not going to see it from there.
there's the tiger down the
Well, she
bottom.
might when Dad turns window. You are, look, out the front, out here.
Yeah, she's looking at the tigers. Oh, look, he's having a scratch on the post.
Oh, yeah. That's a good view. Oh, stop.
Typical.
There he is, look by Daddy, out Daddy's side. Out
Look
Daddy's
at that over
window.
there, look.
We'll sit with Grandad and you'll see him. Can you see him? Wait, Tiger. Do you know what the tiger's name is? Oh, he's going to have a roar about. Look, can you see? Can you see what he's doing?
Look, there's that over there, look. See it? Rolling about.
Out Mummy's window. Look out Mummy's window. Oh, he's liking that, isn't he, in the sunshine? He's got a nice. Is he snoring? Is he... Oh, look, he's looking. Oh, look at his teeth. Did you see his teeth? Look. Is he cool? He's making a noise.
He's going now, look.
Listen, listen.
Listen. Oh, he's gone.
Yes, look.
Oh, come on,